Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create faceless YouTube videos, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that matter, simply go ahead, open up your CapCut app. If you want to have a faceless video for YouTube, all you need to do is simply involve the content for the videos that does not include your face. For example, these are the clips I have, some of these, and these have no face of the creator. You can simply go ahead and use these clips for a short, for a video, and that's what you can do. If you want to create an AI video, for that matter, what you need to do is you need to simply go ahead, go to the AI platforms, simply go ahead, go to the AI video generator, and once you find AI video generator, go ahead, give them a prompt which you will copy from ChatGPT. If you don't know, you can just give them instruction and get a script, or you can write down your story and you can go ahead, add in this particular story right over here in the free AI video generator and get yourself an AI video, a faceless AI video, and you can upload them. Next thing what you can do is you can do a storytelling. You can have a random faceless video like of the nature. You can add a story overlay. For example, go to TikTok and type in story time or storytelling. Like this type, you can get a random clip and go ahead, add in the story on top. You can add the captions as well, and that's it. That's how you can also make a faceless video, and you can go ahead, upload them on YouTube by going to YouTube, tap on this plus icon. Once you tap on this plus icon, you can go ahead, upload a short, upload a full-length video as well, and that's it. That's how it works. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.